How to log in Pandora credit card. If you want to log into Pandora credit card, open your default web browser in your device. Start by searching Pandora credit card login in the search bar. Tap on the link that says Overstock credit card managing your finances. As soon as you get into this link, you'll be taken to the home page. Here, you'll have a login button on the top right side of the screen. Tap on it and a new form page opens up. In this screen, you'll be presented with prompts which you'll have to fill correctly. You'll be asked your email in the email space and you can enter your password in the password section. Then check right on Remember Me and finally tap on Sign In and Continue. Here, you can create an account by tapping on the Credit Account menu. For this, you'll need your email, name, password, and with all those informations, you can submit and create a new account. And this was everything you need to know about logging in to Pandora credit card account.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.